Hi, Paul Short here from GoDrone NZ. On the screen is a recent 3D scan from the Balance Fertiliser plant based in Midhurst. As you can see, the scan allows you to gather pretty much any information from a site without physically being there. It's quite detailed, you can zoom in on it and see whatever it is that you need to see. The other useful feature of a scan like this is the fact that it's geo-referenced. If we, for example, open it in our measurement-based viewer, we can zoom in on it and we can, using the measuring tool, collect dimensions simply by clicking and dragging across the 3D model. In this case, this measurement is 47.9 meters. You can do this in any axes, vertically or horizontally. The other unique thing about these datasets is that they can be opened inside of Google Earth. If I just tab over to Google Earth here for an example, you can see that in this particular case, the Google Earth tiles are quite out of date and very inaccurate. If we enable the data that we captured, there is quite a difference. Because this data is geo-referenced, all of the measuring tools that you're used to still work. You can calculate areas and distances and anything else that you're used to doing inside of Google Earth. One last time, I'll show you the before and the after. The data we produce is extremely high resolution and can be provided in whatever detail level you need. If this would be useful in your industry, please contact us at godrone.co.nz. Thanks for watching, bye.